Hey guys, in this video, I will show you how to use Darwinbox in mobile. Alright, so let's begin with the video. First, begin by downloading the Darwinbox app from the Google Play Store or Apple App Store depending on your device. Once installed, open the app and you'll be greeted with a login screen. Here, you'll see two main options to access your account, either by scanning a QR code or by entering your organization's URL. If your company has provided you with a QR code, simply tap on the Login with QR code option and use your phone's camera to scan the code. To get this code, open the Darwinbox web portal on your desktop. Click on your profile in the top right corner and select Mobile QR code. If you don't have the QR code, you can also log in by typing in your organization's unique Darwinbox URL, usually in the format yourcompany.darwinbox.com. After entering the URL, tap Next and then sign in with your official credentials. Once you're successfully logged in, the main dashboard will open up. Over here, you'll see a range of features designed to help you manage your work and HR tasks easily from your phone. The interface is clean, organized, and easy to navigate. At the top, you may see announcements or any urgent company-wide updates. Below that, you'll find quick access icons to important tools such as attendance, leaves, pay slips, tasks, approvals, directory, and more. Let's start with attendance. Tap on the attendance section to mark your daily attendance. Depending on your company's policy, this may include options to clock in and out, track your working hours, or even add regularization requests in case you forgot to check in. Some companies also enable geotagging or selfie-based check-ins, so you might be asked to take a photo or allow location access for accurate records. Next up is leaves. Over here, you can apply for different types of leaves: casual leave, sick leave, earned leave, or even comp offs. The app lets you view your current leave balance, apply for new leave, or cancel an upcoming one. Once submitted, your manager will receive the request and can approve or reject it directly through the app. You'll receive a notification about the approval status so you stay updated in real time. Then there's pay slips, where you can access your monthly salary slips and download them if needed. This is handy for keeping track of your income or submitting documents for bank loans or personal records. The interface usually includes breakdowns of gross pay, deductions, taxes, and net pay, all accessible in just a few taps. The tasks section helps you keep track of any to-dos or assignments that your HR team or reporting manager might have assigned. This feature varies based on how your organization uses Darwinbox, but you'll generally find options to mark tasks as complete, comment, or update statuses. It's a good way to keep everything aligned when you're managing multiple responsibilities. In the approvals section, you can review any pending actions that require your consent, whether it's approving leave requests, travel reimbursements, performance reviews, or internal forms. This makes it super easy for team leads or managers to handle approvals on the go without waiting to log in on a desktop. Another useful feature is the directory, which gives you access to your company's employee contact list. You can search for colleagues by name, department, or role, making it easy to get in touch or send messages through the app if needed. Some organizations also enable call or email links directly from this section for quick communication. For those involved in performance management, Darwinbox Mobile also supports self-evaluation forms, manager feedback submissions, and review tracking. You can complete your performance-related activities directly within the app during review cycles, which helps you stay on top of important career milestones. This streamlines the performance process and saves time during quarterly or annual evaluations. Now let's talk about notifications. The bell icon at the top right of the screen keeps you alerted on all updates, approvals, meeting invites, new tasks, policy changes, and more. You can tap on each notification to go directly to that section, saving time and making sure you don't miss anything important. This central hub of updates keeps you connected even when you're not constantly checking the app. If you want to update your profile, simply tap on your name or photo in the app and you'll be taken to your personal information screen. Over here, you can update certain fields like emergency contact, address, or bank details depending on your company's permissions. It's also where you can see your reporting manager, team members, and even previous employment history if it's recorded. Darwinbox Mobile is also helpful during onboarding for new employees. If you're new to the company, the app may show a checklist with all the steps you need to complete, like uploading documents, filling out personal info, and attending introductory sessions, all tracked right within the app. This makes joining the company smoother and more guided for new hires. For added security, the app supports biometric login such as Face ID or fingerprint unlock depending on your device. This helps you access everything securely without typing in passwords each time. It also ensures that sensitive company information is kept safe, even if someone else gets hold of your phone. If you ever need to log out or switch accounts, just head to the settings menu and tap logout. And in case you run into any issues using the app, the support or help section is available where you can either check facts or reach out to your HR or IT team for assistance. So that's basically how you can use Darwinbox in mobile. So that's all for this video. Consider subscribing if you find it helpful, and I'll catch you in the next one. Thanks.